been a rough day today. We've just got in on this trade. It's gone our way finally. The rest of them went our way, but I was being greedy, so we kind of lost out on those trades, to be quite honest. Now let's see what I'm going to do here. It's pulling back already. I should have come out. It was a 2-to-1. It was right there for me. I'm hoping this will pull away and keep going up, but I really can't see where it's going. That's the problem. Unless it's going for, there's a point of interest which it might be going to, but whether it's going to go straight there or not is a different matter. Looking at the hourly chart, you can see that already soldiers have fallen here and here. If they've already fallen, it doesn't need to go any further. A point of interest which I was talking about, maybe this one up the top here, is possibly going for that area there. I cannot be sure because there's quite a way for it to go, so we just have to monitor it and see. Hopefully it'll be going for that area because it has been giving us the run around all day. You know what, I wouldn't even say that. I would say it's my fault because I was being greedy. Like I said, I had 7-to-1 trade in my hand, I had a 2-to-1 trade in my hand, and I just wanted to play them out. Just like now, I've got a 2-to-1 trade in my hand and I want a 5-to-1. So I would say it was the markets messing around. No, it wasn't. It was me. It was me messing around. I was doing things that I don't normally do. I normally go for a 1-to-1. So all of a sudden I want a 7-to-1. Anyway, let's see how far we can get. I'm up 4 positions. I don't even know why I waited. I should have just came out then. I was up 2-to-1, 4 positions. It was great. And then I can just jump out. I should have jumped out earlier.